Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later.
Forward chasses seem like an oddly simple skill, but they are a great way to prepare us for forwards crossovers, and they're quite a powerful step when we learn to do them well.
So let's dive in. They're constructed of 2 steps, very, very simple. 1 power push and 1 lift of the opposite foot that prepares us ready for our next power push. So they join onto each other like Lego bricks. They just click and connect and they can really make you go. So we're going to start by making sure that our upper body is turned slightly to face towards the circle that we are going to be skating around. Imagine there's a nice warm fire and you're turning to warm your hands on there, okay? So we start with our forward push, which is going to be opening the foot, much like you would do for the half lemon action. So we open up that foot, press away into the instep, and then release the floor at the end. We're now going to bring those feet back together, absolutely side by side parallel, neutral feet, and we're going to gently raise, retract, lift the landing gear of that inner foot, the one closest to the middle of the circle. Feels like the hokey cokey. So now that we've managed to get our step 2 of our chasse, we've retracted the landing gear, we've lifted up that foot, and make sure it's nice and close as it does so. It's going to be almost rubbing up the side of the other foot in order to get itself lifted. Now you've worked so hard on your padding, hopefully your feet are very natural in their flex moment here, because as we lift that foot it should be flexed so that it meets the floor again, ready to become your gliding foot again, ready to accept the power from your stroke, from your push away, then back together, lift and flex.
From a moving start around a circle, make the big L in your arms and turn your shoulders to face into the circle. Remember, we push with the outer foot and lift the inner foot. Push, lift, push, lift. We should always practice both directions, so remember, set up your upper body with the big L in your arms and hug your circle. Aim for neat, parallel, neutral feet between each of your steps. Flex your ankle as you raise your foot on step number 2 to keep your foot parallel to the ice and ready for your next glide. Figure skaters, we risk tripping on our toe picks if our ankle is lax and our blade points downwards. Hockey skaters, the absence of a toe pick on your blade reduces your risk of tripping. However, we should still aim to flex that foot to get our best glide out of our next push.